Test Unit 1.
Hello and welcome to Science Talk. I'm Simon Walsh, and here with me tonight in the studio is Professor Alexander Eichenbaum, a professor in neuroscience at Harvard University. Good evening, Professor. We're delighted you could join us.
It's a pleasure to be here, Simon.
Now, as one of the world's leading experts in cognitive science, you've been exploring how our brains store information and why some people have a better memory than others. So, to start, what is memory and how does it work?
Well, there are two different memory systems. One system remembers our personal life experiences, the autobiographical memory, and the second system holds knowledge about the world, the semantic memory. These two memory systems work in different ways, but sometimes one may work better than the other. For example, you may have good autobiographical memory and remember everything from your holiday, but a poor semantic memory and find it difficult to remember things that you learned at school.
That's very interesting. So, why do we sometimes forget things?
What many people don't realize is that our brains are designed to forget information as well as remember it. When information enters our brains, it goes through a decision process where the brain decides the importance of the information and whether to store it in our memory or to forget it. We don't need to remember everything we learn each day, otherwise our brains would become full. We just need to make sure that the information we do need is stored properly in our memory.
What have you learned from your recent study?
Well, our research shows there are 3 reasons why people vary in the efficiency of their long-term memory. Firstly, it's down to nurture. Some people use effective strategies to learn new information. This information is then stored in an organized way and can be easily found when needed. This is essentially brain training. Secondly, it's down to nature. Your genes play an important role in brain function. Some people are just born with better memories. Thirdly, some people remember better because of the emotional impact the experience had on them. The importance of something relates directly to how well it is remembered in our minds.
Fascinating. Thank you for being on the programme.